So now we're going to take our regular mold right there and put it in a glass container and then fill it up with the mineral spirits. And as you can see, it's already enlarged. I'm just playing. There's just some refractions going on that's illusionary. But we're going to let this sit overnight and then may even have to let it sit longer. I don't know. We're going to check on it tomorrow and see what it looks like. And this is the regular silicone mold which we have submerged in mineral spirits. And as you can see, it has already just let it sit overnight. I'm going to let it go for a little bit longer, see how big it can get. But that's pretty neat right there. It looks like after 2 days we have had some pretty significant enlargement of the mold. So what I'm going to do is remove it. I believe it's going to be easy just to dump this out into something, and then maybe we can get up in there and grab that mold, pull it out of there. So as you can see, quite a noticeable difference between these two molds right there. That's the original one, and that's the one that was original, and then we soaked it in the mineral spirits. In other words, this mold, all it was the same silicone mold as that, and we put it in mineral spirits for 2 days, and look at that. So I'm going to let some of the mineral spirits dissolve from the outside and the inside of the mold. Then we're going to go ahead and pour us a cast, because as we let this thing sit here, the mineral spirits is going to just sort of evaporate out of it, osmosis, and transmorphify out of it, and it's going to go back down to size. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get us some cast of this before that happens. All right. Might well go ahead and pour us up a little one too. So you might be thinking, Craftman, that mold, if you leave it out, is going to shrink. Well, what do I do if I want to keep using that mold? I imagine you could just stick it right back in the jar, let it stay there. I would just consider taking your object and making you a new mold of this object. All right. That would be permanent. That would be one that you can use over and over, and it's going to be consistent size. Don't worry about it shrinking. You know what I'm saying?